think these guys are hackers. Not completely sure. This guy all of a sudden just flies up and does exactly that. See? I don't understand why. I'm probably gonna die. But yeah. Just watch. See? Let them shoot at him. He keeps all of a sudden flying and stuff, so I mean, I don't know. Oh, look at that. Yeah. He was hitting me from when I was under him so much more. And you all know, when you're under them, you can get more hits off. See? What is this? Look, see? What? What? Okay. That won't fire a bust. Just flew. See? He keeps flying to try and kill me. Well, thank you, guys.